Welcome to this affirmations meditation, designed to help you connect more deeply with your baby in the womb. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without any interruptions. Take a moment to settle in, and when you're ready, close your eyes and gently place your hands on your belly. This will help you focus on the special bond that you and your baby share. Let's begin with some gentle breath work to calm your mind and body. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold your breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax. And continue this breathing pattern, inhaling deeply, holding briefly, and exhaling slowly. As you breathe, imagine your breath flowing down to your baby. Filling your womb with a warm, loving light. With each exhale, release any tension or worries, creating a peaceful space for you and your baby. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. With your hands still resting gently on your belly, we will now move on to the affirmations. After each affirmation, take a moment to let the words resonate with you and your baby. I love you deeply, my precious baby. I am grateful for the gift of carrying you. You are safe inside my womb. I feel your presence growing stronger every day. My body is nurturing you perfectly. We are connected by an unbreakable bond. I cherish every moment I have with you. I am here to protect you, always. You are my little miracle. I trust my body to provide for you. You are surrounded by love and warmth. I feel so blessed to be your mother. Our hearts beat together in perfect harmony. I am preparing a beautiful life for you. You are already so loved by so many. I am patient and calm, knowing you are growing healthy and strong. I send you loving, positive energy. We share a special bond that will last forever. I embrace and cherish this journey with you. You are my greatest treasure. I trust in the beautiful process of pregnancy. I look forward to holding you in my arms. I will always be here for you, my dear sweet baby. Take a few more moments to sit or lie there with your baby, stroking your belly, feeling the connection with your amazing womb and your beautiful baby. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room that you're in. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and then slowly open your eyes. Remember, for maximum benefit, listen to this meditation for at least 21 days in a row. It will help you to feel calmer, more confident, and more deeply connected to your baby. Thank you for taking this time to bond with your precious one, and sending you and your baby lots of love.